I am here only. सोनाली कांबळे अर्चना बाकले ऑटोमेटिक केलेले आज
Admit.
ऑटो ऍडमिट आलेगा आले सगळे
हॅलो सर.
हा हॅलो सर, कुठे गेलात?
आवाज येतो? हॅलो.
येतोय सर, येतोय.
निखिल, आवाज येतोय का बिरादर? 13 नंबर 3013 3026. हॅलो, आवाज येतोय? आवाज येतोय का?
हा बोल. तू केलतास की तुझे इतके मोठे कॉल बघून मग कॉल बॅक केले. माझी बी झूम मीटिंग चालू आहे, ठेव थोड्या वेळाने करते. झूम मीटिंग चालू आहे, थोड्या वेळाने करते.
आवाज येतोय का? स्वामी अविनाश, आवाज येतोय?
नाही सर, आवाज क्लिअरली नाही येत.
आवाज खूप कमी येत आहे सर.
हॅलो,
कमी येत आहे सर खूप आवाज.
हॅलो,
हॅलो.
आवाज येतोय का?
आवाज येतोय का? शुरू करूत का?
हा करा सर सुरू.
आवाज येतोय?
येतोय सर. हो
सुट्टीला गेलेत का?
थांबले सर.
बाकी सुट्टीला गेले? हॅलो,
हा बोला
आवाज येतोय?
सर. येतोय.
ठीक आहे. We'll start with the next sessions. कालपर्यंत झाले त्याच्या पुढलं किंवा the next session is layout of hospital pharmacy. Layout means layout means there is a boundary of hospital pharmacy and their necessary arrangement in the pharmacy stores, furnitures, medicines, fridge, whatever the aseptic area we have to located in their layout in hospital pharmacy within the available space. The minimum requirement of hospital pharmacies in hospital is 120 square meter minimum. The objective of layout is to minimize the selling expenses by handling the drugs and medicine efficiently, minimizing the delay in dispensing by providing convenient service centers. The layout custody to dispense the proper medicines within a short time of periods in hospital pharmacy. Also to provide optimum space for reserve stock, like office, visiting place for the employees, storeroom. Also to provide the efficient supervision and dispensing control and reduce to chances of theft in the pharmacy stores. Sometimes pharmacy technicians are thefting or काय म्हणता येईल त्याला आपल्याला चोरी करून नेतात काही strips hospital pharmacy and sold outside the pharmacy. That type of theft was controlled or supervised in hospital pharmacy. So minimum requirement for the supervision as well as office area is required for the hospital pharmacy. And also to minimize the movement of customers within the premises. Means at one positions, one of the customer are placed. Whatever the requirement of that customers, you have to dispense to consult patients with minimum movements. This is a layout of hospital pharmacy. All of you write down. All of you sketch this layout of hospital pharmacy. It contains aseptic area, manufacturing section, this is a layout of hospital pharmacy. In this hospital pharmacy, नेटचं थोडं डिस्टर्बन्स झाला. स्क्रीन दिसते. This is a layout of pharmacy, hospital pharmacy. Slow down. This is a layout of hospital pharmacy. The various sections available are required for running the hospital pharmacy. First is aseptic area. If manufacturing is carried out in hospital pharmacy, then manufacturing section. For storage purpose, raw material storage, stores, and final finished products. There is an open space in between manufacturing area as well as in dispensing area. There is a gap between two spaces, administrative as well as dispensing area and manufacturing area. In layout, administrative sections is required to done the administrative work in the called as office work. You have to carry out in administrative sections. Then dispensing sections where the dispensing of medicines towards the patients. And there is some open space where where the patients are came for the medicines in hospital. This layout you have to draw it or sketch it in the notebook. 2 मिनिटं ठेवतो. Layout काढून देतो. What is the requirement of layout? To keep the medicines in hospital pharmacy stores. Whatever for manufacturing purpose, small volume parenterals, large volume parenterals. The manufacturing area along with the aseptic area is required. So layout nothing but is a structures where how the hospital pharmacy stores are look like. For dispensing, major role of hospital pharmacy store is dispensing of medications, maintaining the records, inventory controls, storage, proper labeling. In alphabetical order, you have to store the, generally in the pharmacy stores, alphabetical order we have to maintain, because in alphabetical order it is easy to deliver or dispense the medicines to the patients, as well as keep the record of inpatients as well as outpatients. For this purpose, this layout is required. This type of infrastructure is required. झालंय का? Okay, all of you write down. All of you sketch this layout of hospital pharmacy. Exam मध्ये 2 मार्कासाठी विचारू शकतात. Draw the layout of hospital pharmacy. Draw the required things in hospital pharmacy. Like that questions are asked in the examinations. This is a general flow chart for outpatients. If OPD is present in the hospital, generally OPD is present. for OPD outpatient patients, this is a general flow chart for OPD patients. Generally, in the OPD patients, doctors return the prescriptions. That prescription received by the pharmacy store pharmacist, filling the prescriptions by selection, labeling, and pricing by the pharmacist, then dispensed to the patients. This is a basic flow chart for the OPD for dispensing of the medications. Doctor's prescription, then receive the prescription to the pharmacist, filling the prescriptions like selections, labeling, and pricings, along with in the prescription file, along with the prescription filing. In prescription filings, you have to identify the narcotic and non-narcotic segment was separately filed, as well as after pricing, dispense the medicines to the patients and give the receipt of payment to the patients along with the medicines. And to maintain the statistics of OPD by hospital pharmacy with the help of ICT tools like computers, which are used in the hospital pharmacy. With the help of computers, you have to generate the receipt of medicines. After payment, you have to give the receipt to the patients along with the medicines. Sometimes in some hospital pharmacy stores, it will give the discounts like 4%, 6%. As per the stocks or as per the management concern of concerned hospitals, they give the discount rates also to the patients, OPD as well as IPD. All the data, all the statistic data was maintained with the help of ICTs like computers and to report to the hospital organizations. This is a general flow for the OPD when they come to the pharmacy store or visit to the pharmacy store. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes, minimum time waiting. After filling the prescription, dispense the medication to the OPD patients. Similarly, if OPD is covered, then IPD. IPD means those are the patients registered in the hospital for the treatment. Like generally you have to call as ICU, intensive care units in the hospitals. Generally patients are admitted, or in simple language, admitted patients in hospitals. The prescription flow towards the pharmacy for IPD patients. Prescription same in OPD as well as IPD. Prescription written by the doctors in IPD as well as OPD. Then go to the pharmacy stores, or sometimes prescription copied by the ward nurse for inpatient medication orders. Prescription received by the patients, filling the orders and move towards the IPD patients along with their charges before discharge. Once the discharge from the hospitals, whatever the billings or whatever the liabilities of the hospitals, they are paid by the patients of all the departments where the patients are utilizing the services. This is a flow chart for inpatients, prescription issued from the doctor. If continue IPD for long times, the prescription copied by the nurse and their prescription move towards the pharmacist, filling the orders by selecting, labeling, and pricing. Give the charges towards the patient names in with the help of ICT tools, and record the what का सूत्र लेने में आवाज आ जाए and record the whatever the medications. आवाज आ लेगा? नहीं तो उसको चलो. If unused medicines, they return to the